Hi guys, my name is David Bivo. I'm the lead instructor at Paintable, and in this video, I'll be fixing your art in 3 easy steps and give you the tools needed at the same time to fix it on your own. So let's jump right in. Okay, step 1, let's start by fixing the proportion. Okay, first thing first, we're going to fix the proportions and shapes. Basically, looking at the reference picture, I can see that there's a lot of sharp angle. The jaw here is very sharp. Then we have the cheekbone that's very sharp. This angle of the light is very sharp. The nose, the facial features, even the forehead. And looking at the illustration here, what I can see is that we have a very round shape actually for the face. And we'll start by fixing that, as well as the proportion of the crown, which is a little bit too big, and the hair as well. To fix the shapes and proportion, I'm going to use the Liquify tool. It's a tool you can find in every software these days. I'm also going to modify the proportion by reducing the space between the mouth and the nose. I'll make the crown smaller and paint over it. I'll be adding the glowing details later. With the proportion fixed now, step 2 will be to fix the facial features. For this, I'll first paint over the entire face and keep the original illustration in transparency. I'm going to use it as a blueprint. I'll start first by fixing one eye and concentrate on the different hues I see, like the red tones around the eyelid. The secret of a good skin tone is to have diversity in the hues. Red, orange, pink, yellow, and even blue can be present. When painting the eye, it's important to not start with pure black. Having a shade of black will definitely help you to kind of establish each layer of color, and then as you move towards the final eye, adding some more deep black for the eyelashes, for example, will be crucial for the contrast. Once I'm happy with this first eye, I'll simply copy-paste it to the other side since the portrait is in front view. Adding more form to the lips by painting the occlusion shadow between the lips, middle and corner only, no lines. Painting a line between the lips usually doesn't look good. I'm also going to change the color of the eye by painting with a color blending mode. Now there's a fun fact about color here. Gray will always look blue when painted beside orange tones. So I'm actually painting the eyes gray at the moment, but they are going to look a little blue. Step 3 is to fix the bling bling, the crown and obviously the clothing. To paint the crown, I'll first paint over it and then concentrate in the negative space of the crown to create the right shape. I'll copy paste the left piece on the other side, and to create the shiny effect, I'll use the color blending mode, color dodge, and literally I'm just going to paint dots. Color dodge will instantly create a small rim of orange that will give the illusion of shiny material like gold and metal. I'll finish the crown with a few details, but the bulk of the work was really made by simply painting dots. Sometimes painting very difficult things like metal doesn't require the hardest techniques. And in the goal to not work more than 1 hour on this piece, I simply copy-pasted the clothing from the reference picture and painted a little bit over it.
Cheater.
And here you have it, the before and after. And so I hope that you like this transformation, and let me know in the comment if you learned something or if you have any question whatsoever about what you just saw. If you wanted me to go in more details, for example, I read every comment and answer all of them. And if you would like for me to go through your art and fix it in one of these videos, well, you are in luck. If you look in the description of this video, you'll find all the details to submit your work for the next video, and I'll be picking one piece of art every week at random. And if you like these videos and you would like to see another one, well, I'm going to place the next one right here. You can click on it, and I'll see you in there. Happy painting, guys.